Hey there. So you just finished your Class 12 exams with physics, chemistry, and math, and now you're probably thinking, what's next? It's a huge decision, I get it, but you've landed in exactly the right spot. Today, we're going to map out your entire future in the incredible world of mechanical engineering.
But first, let me ask you something. Think about these amazing things for a second. Super smart robots, those sleek new electric vehicles you see everywhere, and rockets that literally leave the planet? They seem totally different, right? Well, they're not. They all share one secret ingredient. Any ideas what that is?
You got it. It's the vision of a mechanical engineer. If you've got this picture in your head of an old, greasy factory floor, I need you to just, toss that idea out. Because today, mechanical engineering is the creative force behind some of the most futuristic tech in the world.
Okay, so let's get into the big why. In a world that's all about code and apps, why would you choose something so tangible? Well, that's exactly why you should. Mechanical engineering is the bridge that takes a brilliant idea from a computer screen and turns it into something real you can actually touch and use. You know, what's really cool about this path is how stable yet exciting it is. It's what we call an evergreen branch of engineering. That means the world always needs mechanical engineers. You get this amazing flexibility to work for the government or in the private sector, here in India or anywhere on the globe. And here's the kicker. It's not just a job, it's a launchpad for a career where you can truly innovate and lead. All right, so let's say you're in. What's the very first step on this journey? It all starts with your first big decision after school, the one that's going to lay the whole foundation for everything that comes next. Basically, you've got two main roads you can take. First, there's the 4-year B.Tech or B.E. degree. Think of this as the deep dive. It's going to give you all the high-level theory you need for roles in research and design. Then you have the 3-year diploma. This path is all about practical, hands-on skills. It gets you ready to hit the ground running in technical roles on the production floor. And listen, one isn't better than the other. They just take you to different, equally important places. Now, if you do go the B.Tech route, you're going to build an awesome core toolkit. We're talking about subjects like thermodynamics, the science of energy itself, and fluid mechanics, which is all about how liquids and gases move. You'll get into the strength of materials to make sure the things you design don't break, and then you'll jump into the fun stuff like machine design and CAD/CAM, where you bring your ideas to life on a screen. It's this amazing blend of hardcore physics and pure creativity. Once you've got that solid foundation, this is where it gets really fun. This is where you find your superpower. You get to choose a specialization and aim your career at what truly gets you excited.
So what about robotics? You could literally be the person designing the next wave of robots for factories, hospitals, or maybe even for exploring other planets.
Or maybe the whole green energy revolution is your thing. The EV industry is absolutely exploding right now, and mechanical engineers are right at the center of it, designing everything from the car's frame to the cooling systems that keep the batteries running safely. What if you love seeing mechanics and electronics collide? Well, that's mechatronics. It's the magic behind every smart factory and the whole automation revolution that's changing the world. And of course, for all you dreamers who look up at the sky, there's aerospace. You'd be applying all those mechanical principles to design airplanes, satellites, and spacecraft. I mean, come on, the sky is definitely not the limit here. And check this out, all those cool specializations are tied to real-world tools you'll actually use. This isn't just about theory. You'll be mastering software that companies use every single day, like SolidWorks and CATIA. Learning these skills is what makes you a hot commodity on the job market. Okay, so the future looks amazing. The specializations are mind-blowing. But how do you actually get your foot in the door? Let's break down the whole admission thing and turn it from a big, scary mountain into a few simple steps. Honestly, it just boils down to these 3 things. Step 1, make sure you've got the marks. You'll typically need around 50 to 60% in physics, chemistry, and math. Step 2, get laser focused on those entrance exams. Yeah, the JJE is the big one, but don't sleep on your state-level tests either. And finally, step 3, aim high. Go for the best colleges you can, because their labs, teachers, and connections can really open doors for you. And now, we get to the best part. You've done the work, you've got the degree. So what does life actually look like on the other side? What kind of future are we talking about? Just look at the sheer variety here. Of course, a big chunk goes into the classic areas like manufacturing and automotive. But look at this, huge opportunities in growing fields like aerospace and renewable energy.
This is not a one-way street, it's a superhighway with exits to almost any industry you can think of. And inside those industries, you can find a role that fits you perfectly. If you're a creative problem solver, you could be a design engineer. If you're obsessed with making things work better and faster, maybe you're a production engineer. And once you've got some experience under your belt, you can step up to lead entire teams as a project manager.
All right, let's talk money. Your starting salary is going to be pretty solid, usually somewhere between 4 to 10 lakhs per annum. But that's just the starting line. The real story here is the potential for growth. As you build up your skills and specialize, your value and your paycheck can climb big time.
And hey, the journey doesn't have to end with a B.Tech. You can always level up. Go for an M.Tech to become a true master in your field. Do an M.S. abroad to get that global perspective. Or even switch gears with an MBA and move into the business side of things. You're in the driver's seat.
So, if there's one thing I want you to take away from all this, it's this quote right here. This isn't just about gears and engines anymore. It's about designing the very technology and infrastructure that will shape our future.
So as you're standing at this fork in the road, the final question isn't just what should I study, it's what do I want to build? The power to create anything from clean energy grids to rockets is going to be in your hands. So, what future will you design?